Restoring chat history on Messenger. In today's video, you are going to learn how to restore chat history on Messenger. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, if you see a message like restore messages, tap on it and enter your 6-digit PIN. If you remember it, this should instantly restore your encrypted chats. But if you forgot your PIN, don't worry, you can still recover it if you have a backup code. If not, tap more options, then press continue. After that, continue with chat history and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once that's done, you will likely see the same restore now message again. Tap it to proceed. Then go to the menu and here tap on settings, then click on privacy and safety. Here select the end-to-end encrypted chats, then tap message storage and delete secure storage. That's it, your Messenger chat history will now be restored or reset based on your chosen option. And that's all. That's how you will be able to restore your Messenger chat history.